Ever feel like your marketing is just shooting in the dark? Today, we're going to show you how to create powerful buyer personas that will transform your marketing strategy. What is a buyer persona? A buyer persona is like your ideal customer's diary. It combines real data with market research to create a detailed profile of the people most likely to love your products or services. 5 simple steps to create a buyer persona. Step 1. Gather data. Use surveys, interviews, and analytics to understand your current customers. Step 2. Spot patterns. Look for common characteristics, behaviors, and needs. Step 3. Create the profile. Give your persona a name, story, and specific details. Step 4. Test your persona. Use it to make marketing decisions and measure results. Step 5. Keep it updated, review, and refresh your personas regularly. Benefits. With clear buyer personas, you'll target the right audience, create better content, increase conversions, save marketing dollars, build stronger relationships. Ready to create your own buyer personas? Visit our website for a free template and start targeting the right audience today.